Paw Patrol.
Paw Patrol. Hello.
You excited for your new Paw Patrol toy? Alright, let me open it.
Okay. I'm lifting up. Lifting up. Lifting up. I lift everything up.
No, don't come in too close because I don't want your face in the camera, okay?
No, and this will be like this, maybe. Maybe I have to build it.
Oh, so I can open it?
How did these things come out? Oh, like that. They're hard, eh? Hard. I want it. How does it have legs?
So you can play with that one. I'll open this one out. This is garbage. This is garbage.
I'll take these away.
Yeah, put them in the garbage, okay?
No, I'll take these away.
Okay, you can use that for your bulldozer.
Beep, 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 beep.
One, two, three. Three. Yellow. What color is this?
These ones are blue.
How many? How many are there?
Yellow.
How many? Can you count?
1, 2, 3.
Good
1,
job.
2, 3.
What is this?
4.
Look, it's the Paw Patrol.
Only one.
Only one. Yeah, look, he goes inside his motorcycle.
Oh.
There. See that? Isn't that cool?
I do have more to do. I need a little one. I need a little one. I need a little. Slow down. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, look at this. See how it closed? Like it's almost like a transformer, right? Look at that. Look, you can close it. The kids are watching. So look, that opens. Oh, and the red one opens this. You see that? I pushed it back, right? And now you gotta close it, right? And look at that. He's inside there, right? And now I think let me figure it out. Hold on. Look, press the red button. Oh no, it's not
I want
like that. Yes, press the blue button. You see? Oh, and look, now you can take them out. So now put them back inside. How does this work? It shoots them up. See, that's why I gotta read the instructions. break it. If you don't know how to play with it, wait for Daddy to teach you. You got your head in the way again, man. Yeah, you know what? You want to do it?
Yeah.
Put it in here. Put it inside, you do it. Inside, right?
Wait.
Inside there, and now you press this button right here. Take your hand out of the way. Press it. Press the button. You gotta hold it with this side. See that? Here, I'll give you more. Try this part. Look. Look. You wanna learn how to do this? Look. You have to push it. Put it in there, you gotta push it back. It gets stuck like that. And then you close it, right? Now you press the red button to open. Oh no, sorry, the blue button to open. Then the red then the red button to open this one, and again for the motorcycle to go. You see that? See, it's a lot of stuff to learn. Hey, maybe we can put all three of these things here. Hold on. Oh, this closes? Is this closed? But maybe you could put all three, right? Look, watch. And now you just look. Check this out. Check this out. Isn't that cool? What a cool car! I'm actually glad we got this. This is one of my favorite toys I've gotten so far.
But it needs batteries.
Does it?
Yeah.
Let's see. Maybe it already has batteries. I don't know. That makes noise. Maybe it does need batteries. I don't know.
Maybe the door is opening. The door is.
Look, this is a stop sign here.
The duck's in here.
The hands telling people to stop.
The lights doesn't work.
Lights doesn't work. Batteries? I think I need. Oh, okay. I need to put batteries in. Okay, I'll put batteries in, and then let's see what else does it come with. Oh, the two little kids for school. There's the batteries. Okay, let me put them in. You like your new school bus?
Yeah.
Do you like your new school bus?
Yeah. But school. Where the bus round.
Love making new friends.
Where the bus goes round and round.
Oh, keep pressing the button. It might go. You have to keep going.
Let's play together after school. Being nice to others puts everyone in a good mood. Be nice, be nice.
Be
Just
nice.
once or twice.
You see the front?
Warm and kind to the folks you find, keeping nice stuff on your mind. Hi, Eddie. How are you today? I'm great. Thanks for asking. Hi, you can sit with me.
You like the school bus? I don't think it has the school bus song. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round. You sing it. You're good at it.
Round the
Let's play
bus.
together after
The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round. Good, 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 good. The wheels on the bus go round and
being
round.
nice to others puts everyone in a good mood.
I think the pancakes are ready. Let's go have some. And then let's take a break and have some pancakes.
Yeah.
And then we'll play more. Okay.
The
Let's go.
school bus will be over here.
Okay. Hey everybody.
Hey.
Here's the farm tractor by Kittyland. We're doing an unboxing today on a new toy.
Coming.
Check it out.
I'm
It's got
coming.
the animals in the back. Okay, let's open it, Noah. Can
Okay.
you help me?
Yeah. Okay.
Right there. No, right there. Just pull it out here. There you go. It's perfect. There you go. You got it.
Mom is out.
You got it. All right. So here, press this button there. That button. Okay, let it go. Let's see. It's gonna drive. Watch. Did you press this button here? This one, like that. To start the car. Right there, this button. Watch, it's gonna drive. You see? There you go. Look at that, by itself. All you gotta do is press that starting button right there. Isn't that cool? Okay, now let's push it back here. Okay. So, can you push his head down so we can see? Look, see when you push his head down, he sings a song. Push the button so it can drive. Push this one here. Yeah, that's good. That's good. No, you don't have to do it. It'll go by itself. It goes by itself. You see? Now, see if you touch the horse, it makes the horse sound. If you touch the sheep, it makes the sheep sound. If you touch the cow, see, push it down. You show everybody. See if you push it down. Do the pig. There we go. Isn't that cool, guys? Here, let's. Whoa! You driving it around the town? There we go.
Wait, take this off.
Can you put it this way? Can you make it come this way, please? I want it to go back that way.
Wait, I need to take this.
Okay, you want to take all the animals out? Here you go.
I have to take those rocks.
Okay, you want to use the tractor to pick up your rocks? You want to use the tractor to pick up your rocks?
I want to see if
You want to see it drive? Okay, it's going to go there and pick up those rocks there. Okay, cool. Can I see? You're getting in the way. I can't see anything. I want to see. We want to see you picking it up. You gotta show everybody. There we go. You got all the rocks?
Yeah.
Now you're gonna press the button there. Are you liking this toy, Noah?
Yeah.
It's awesome, right? Wow, look at that. Good job. Good job, Kittyland. Great toy. Look at these grips on the wheel, too. It has these cool grips on the wheel, so it can drive in any kind of floor. Pretty cool. Loving it. Hey, you gotta get the animals. You're forgetting the animals.
Wait.
You need to bring the animals to the farm. Okay, Noah, put it down over here, please.